This week, your reps are learning about trust and rapport and how to know if a prospect is willing to listen to them, which, as you know, is one of the 5 characteristics of a qualified prospect. Prospects will happily engage with reps when they believe the rep has something of value to offer them. Is there a resource your salesperson can provide, some insight they can share, or even a recommendation they can make based on past customer experiences? Encourage your reps to think this way prior to engaging with prospects so they can prepare for that first interaction. Rapport is developed by matching the prospect's pace, tone, and behavior. We shared an article with your reps so they could understand and identify the 4 behavioral styles. For a quick reference overview, download the Behavioral Style Communication Guidelines on this page. Learning how to modify your own behavior to complement another person is a benchmark of high emotional intelligence. Encourage your reps to internalize that. Ask them what their predominant style is, and then to think through scenarios where they may need to adjust their natural behavioral style when engaging with prospects that may be different. The fastest way to build trust and develop rapport is to provide the prospect with genuine value. While the way that's done with each prospect will likely differ, there are some power phrases and ways that reps can position themselves as trusted advisors. Be sure to check out our related blog post where we'll explore those tips in detail.